Top things to do in Amsterdam for Christmas. Christmas is one of the most beautiful seasons to travel abroad. Whether with your family, beloved one or with friends, the magnificent city of Amsterdam is a wonderful choice. The European city is a popular destination, especially for holidays like Christmas. Take a tour in the city. It is known worldwide that Dutch people love cycling, fietsen Dutch, so why not experience the city like the locals? Amsterdam during this time of year is absolutely stunning. Christmas trees, decorations and colorful lights combined with the beautiful canals turn the city into a fairy tale. Beginning from the heart of Amsterdam, Centraal Station, and Dam Square, you can follow the bike paths that will give you access to every corner of the city. In case you are not fond of cycling, the bike taxis can offer you an amazing and relaxed tour. Dutch delicacies. The holidays cannot be experienced without some tasty food. Since Amsterdam is full of Christmas markets, you should definitely taste the Dutch hapjes, snacks, such as the oliebollen and appelbagnets. They are both traditional Dutch sweets deep-fried in hot oil. Oliebollen and appelbagnets are part of the Christmas menu for the local people and easily found at this time of the year in the Christmas stands spread across Amsterdam. Ice skating. For those who love winter sports, Amsterdam might not offer the mountainsides for skiing, but it will not disappoint you. Two beautiful ice skating rinks are set up every Christmas season in two beautiful spots of the city, Leidseplein and Museumplein. Two lovely and frequented places, the first is surrounded by Christmas stands and the second one by famous Dutch museums, such as the Rijksmuseum and Stedelijk Museum. You can ice skate surrounded by a lovely Christmas atmosphere and visit the well-known Dutch museums, which happen to be open even during the holidays. Shopping in Amsterdam. Apart from the Christmas markets, the Dutch are known as the best traders in the world, therefore, sales begin during Christmas. If shopping is among your plans, then you will benefit from great discounts and the best seasonal gifts. You can shop in the city's most well-known shopping centers or walk through 9 streets, De Nijnsstraat, and Kalverstraat, which are considered as the main places to visit for shopping.